Hey everybody, and welcome back to Shackaroon's video tutorials. Today we're going to be taking a look at running our mod in server within our development environment. Anyway, so opening up Eclipse here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to run the server, and then we're going to run the client afterwards. Now you are going to notice that when we try to log in, we are going to have an issue, and I will show you how to fix that issue. So if you want to launch a server, you want to press and hold on this little arrow here. Actually, just click on the arrow, and they'll give you the option of server or client. You can choose either or. I click server first. As you can see, it's doing a bunch of stuff here. It's spawning the world and all that stuff. That's good to go. So now we're going to run our client, and we're going to log into the server. This is also going to cover something else as well, something that we had to do in the last series but do not have to do in this one, which is I thought is absolutely fantastic. It's great. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. So after this launches, oh thank God, okay, here we go. So it's picking the server, good to go. Let's try and log in. And we get this error that invalid session, try restarting your game. So we're actually going to leave this game open. We're going to close the server. Okay? We got a file to edit. So if we go to our desktop, in this case, so I'll just sling that down there. Open up your modding tutorial folder, or the folder that this is the workspace I'm working with. We're going to go under Eclipse. So click on Eclipse, and that's going to give you this right here, which has all your server stuff. So we're going to right click on the server.properties, and you're going to open it. I'm going to open it in Sublime Text. You can probably open it up in TextEdit and on Windows Notepad. So this is going to give you this. This is basically the server settings for your server. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this online mode option right here, and we're going to set this to false. Okay? And save. Now you can close that and go back into Eclipse. Launch the server again, and then it should be good to go. Should be. Had this kind of stuff happen before. It's supposed to work, but it doesn't. So we're going to pull up our game here. Okay, so it's still generating key pair, loading the world. Bam, we're good to go. All up and running. So we're going to click on multiplayer here again. Now we're going to be able to log into our server, and it's working. I guess it's an error with the launcher. I don't know exactly what to say about it, but it seems to be what the problem is. So we need to op ourselves here. So I want to show you something else. Okay, op. And what player am I? Player 378. Player 378. So now we are op. So we're going to go game mode C. Don't want that. So we're going to grab our armor here. Now in the last video, or in the last series that I did on modding with Minecraft for 1.6.4, we had to do special code to make our armor work on the server. But as you can see, it's all working. No special properties, no special code, no special anything. It just works. So that's good. Because that was a little bit of a confusing way of doing it, having to put it in the proxy and things like that. It was a little bit. It didn't really make any sense to me even when I made the tutorial. It made sense. That I had to do it, but why did not make sense. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to cover. So armor is good. Don't need to do any special code. It should work in the server right away. If it doesn't, let me know, and we can look into it and find out the problem, and then let others know. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.